Hi, I'm Skeet.
Hi, I'm Connor.
Today we are making cucumber
And goat cheese rolls.
The first thing you have to do is,
Wash your hands really good. Make sure you get in the nails too.
for this recipe, you will need a serving dish,
Goat cheese,
a cutting board,
cucumbers,
toothpicks,
butter knife,
and something to thinly slice your cucumbers, and a good cutting knife. To start, you're gonna cut your cucumber in half. And then cut your ends off.
After you cut your cucumber in half, you want to start peeling it.
Now this is the tricky part. After you've peeled your cucumber, you gotta create thin slices. I like to use this tool. You can also use this one or a knife. You just want a nice strip. As you get to the seed, just rotate it because you don't want the seed. It's a tricky one. Well, I guess it's not that tricky. After you got your nice thin strips of cucumber sliced up, you're gonna put some of the goat cheese on it, and it works best if it's room temperature.
And then you roll it.
And then stick a toothpick in it.
So magically, you have 3.
And then when you're all done, you get to try them.
Really good. 10 out of 10 recommend. You can do these with different kinds of cheeses. Blueberry goat cheese, chive goat cheese, and tomato goat cheese. Try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Press like, subscribe.